So if you're watching this video and if you're in your late teenage period or even if you your early 20s, then it is a must watch video for you. Because today here in this video, I'm gonna talk about everything that you need to know to further not waste any more time and indulge yourself in some skillful activities that's essentially going to turn out your future to be more brighter than ever before. Without further ado, let's dive in straight into the video where I'm going to explain everything precisely here in this video. And to let you know that this video is going to be life altering or life changing for you if you watch this video until the very end. Stick around because today here in this video I want to share everything about my life that is quite relatable to my life journey. Let's get started. Now look, I really don't know if you are a high school student or a college or university level student. If you're watching this video, then this video is gonna change your life ultimately, because today here in this video I want to share about certain things that you really need to cater right now at this point. Make a mental note of these points. Listen to each and everything very precisely and carefully, because these might seem to be like cliche advice, but ultimately I can tell you that if you follow these advices or tips from me, still unemployed at this time, then I can guaranteedly tell you, if you're in your late teenage period or even if you're in your early 20s, these advices or tips are ultimately going to change your life forever. So if you're wasting your time even until right now at this point by watching or scrolling through Instagram reels or watching YouTube shorts, watching YouTube videos, especially the short videos, the funny videos like comedy videos or entertainment videos, and if you're really not producing any output of yours with doing some extracurricular activities like some creative creative activities, it's not going to work well. If you don't indulge in some sort of creative activities right now at this point, if you don't realize what your true potential is, what the actual talent lies within yourself, if you let it die under or beneath the grave, you're doing a blunder. I must tell you, because today, in today's life, or in today's era, only a degree of qualification is not enough. If you want to aspire something higher in your life, then you should, and rather you must build the skills or potential within yourself. Because if you go for appearing for an interview or any job, the foremost question that you'll be asked is, what are the qualities that you have within yourself or the potentials that lie within yourself? Only just a handful of degrees, qualification degrees, and certificates won't fetch you jobs. In today's generation, this is quite astoundingly, this is strange to see that parents are spending thousands of bucks or rupees behind the education of their children, and yet in the job market there is no as such Like I can say placement available for the requirement of the purpose. It's because of the lack of skills, lack of talent, lack of potentiality. So if you're in your late teenage period, if you're 18, 19, or even 20 years old, at this time it's high time to get out of all these shits, such as texting to girlfriend, making girlfriends, making reels, watching and spending time on Instagram reels, YouTube shorts, watching comedy videos, fooling around with friends. These are ultimately not going to help you to get a bright future. And what I'm going to tell you today here in this video, that it took me 10 to 12 years, almost a generation, for me to understand, to fetch out, to dig out the real talent, the real skill, to understand my potential, what actually is going to help me in the future to establish in the career path. It took me 5 years to understand the nuances of the YouTube algorithm and the evolution of my American accent. So at this time, no matter how good you are at something, try to nurture it with skills, with your practice, with your dedication, with your commitment. Do this because ultimately this will spare your future. Everything will be judged as per your skills, your talent, your qualities. All these definitely matter in the field of career path because only educational qualification is not going to be enough for you. Soft skills are necessary, such as communication skills, out knowledge, general knowledge, manners, etiquette, everything correlates to each other. So it's high time that you don't actually waste your early 20s and get into some kind of learning stuffs. It's not for my benefit, but rather for your benefit. I'm telling you this. Anyways, if you like this video content, do let me know in the comments about your perception or about your thought, and I'll meet you again in another video. By the time, stay tuned with my channel. Stay good, stay positive, stay healthy, stay updated, and wish you all success in your life. Thank you. Bye-bye.